Good morning to all. Today we will study of chapter 2nd, inverse circular function. Introduction. If a sin theta is equal to x, then we can say x is the value of sin theta. X is the value of a sin theta and theta is the sine inverse of x. Theta is the sine inverse of x. This statement is written as theta is equal to sine inverse x or theta is equal to arc sin x. Sine inverse x is written as sine inverse x. Inverse circular function. We know that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta are trigonometrical circular functions which for every value of theta gives a fixed value. If a sin theta is equal to x, then theta is equal to sine inverse x. Then theta is equal to sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is said to be an inverse circular function. The similar inverse functions are cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x and etc. In sin inverse x, cos inverse x functions, but -1 is not a power of sin x and cos x. -1 is not a power of a sin x and a cos x, but representation of an inverse function, as sin x whole inverse is equal to 1 upon sin x. Therefore, sin inverse x is not equals to sin x power -1. Sin inverse x denotes an angle, whereas sin theta denotes a number where theta is an angle. Theta is an angle. Theta acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle triangle and linear pair of angles. Inverse circular function. To find the inverse of f, there exists f inverse. The function f must be 1 1 on 2. Function f b must be 1 1 on 2. It is clear from the study of trigonometric functions, so that normally they are not bijective. Therefore, it is not possible to find their inverse under normal conditions. But on restricting the domain of these functions, now we about the domain and range of the inverse trigonometric functions. Function y is equal to sin x, then domain x belongs to R, or -3 pi by 2, -pi by 2, -pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and so on. So we can say -infinity to +infinity is called domain of sin x, and range y belongs to -1 to 1, because we know that sin 90 1 and sin -90 is -1. Then we can say sin x value minimum 1 and maximum 1. So range of the sin x belongs to -1 to +1, and curve of sin x, it is a x-axis and it is y-axis. On the x-axis, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Similarly in the x dash direction, -pi, -2 pi, -3 pi, -4 pi. And x value pi by 2, then y is equal to sin x, then sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Then we know that sin x value 1, and sin x is equal to 1. And y is equal to x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. It is a origin, it is a y axis, y and y dash. Y dash represent the negative signs. Pi by 2 pi by 2 on 1, sin x is equal to, and pi is equal to 0. Sin pi, sin 0, sin 2 pi and so on is equal to 0. Sin pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 is equal to 1. Next function is a y is equal to cos x. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. संदीप सर वाई इज इक्वल टू कोस एक्स. एक्स बिलोंग्स टू आर. वी नो दैट डोमेन ऑफ कोस एक्स माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी. रेंज -1 एंड +1. मिनिमम -1 एंड मैक्सिमम +1. कर्व इज इट इज x axis and it is y axis. Y axis and a y dash. X dash. 0, cos 0 value 1, cos 90 0, then cos 90 0, and so on. Similarly, tan x, cot x, sec x and a cosec x. This representation is a similarly. You can see in the video. And this table is a inverse function of sin inverse x. Domain is -1 to 1. Range belongs to R. It is the curve of sin x, sin inverse x. Cos inverse x, domain, range, graph. It is the y is equal to cos x. Y is equal to cos x. Cos inverse. Tan inverse x, x belongs to R. -3 pi by 2, -pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is not defined because tan pi by 2 infinite, tan minus pi by 2 minus infinite. So we can say graph. Cot inverse x, x belongs to R. ये रेंज, ग्राफ एंड कर्व. Sec inverse x, domain, range and curve. Cosec inverse x, domain, range and curve. General solutions, general value. We know that sin theta is equal to sin n pi plus -1 to the power n theta, where n belongs to z. Z is an integer. Z is a set of integers. Now, if a sin inverse x is equal to theta, then general value of sin inverse x is a n pi plus -1 to the power n sin inverse x, and is denoted by sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is equal to n pi plus -1 to the power n sin inverse x. N belongs to z. Cos inverse x is equal to 2n pi plus minus cos inverse x. N belongs to z. Similarly, tan inverse x. Then principal value. The principal value of inverse circular function is the smallest positive or negative value of theta which satisfy the equation sin theta is equal to x, cos theta is equal to x. For example, Sine inverse 1 upon 2 is equal to 30. 30 degree we can represent in the radian, then 30 into multiply pi by 180. Then we can say 30 degree is value of a in radian in a pi by 6. Similarly, sine inverse minus 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 value is a of sine 45, then theta is equal to 45. But sine inverse is a negative minus 1 upon root 2, then we can say its value is a minus form, minus pi by 4. And it is the function principal value and domain. This function principal value and domain of sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, and cot inverse x. Now, relation between inverse circular function, theta is equal to sine inverse x, then sin theta is equal to x, then cos theta is equal to root 1 minus x square, then theta is equal to cos root 1 minus x square. Similarly, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta value x, cos theta is equal to root 1 minus x square. Then theta is equal to tan inverse x upon root 1 minus x square. You can solve same process. Put it these values of sin theta and cos theta. You can see in this video. Properties of inverse circular function. Sine inverse x is equal to x, but x value minimum 1 to maximum 1, and sine inverse sin theta is equal to theta, not q. Theta value minimum minus pi by 2 and maximum pi by 2. Proof A, sine inverse x is equal to theta, then sin x is equal to theta, sin theta is equal to x. Then putting the value of theta, we have sin inverse x is equal to x, then sin theta, because sin inverse x is equal to theta, then sin theta is equal to x, minus 1 to maximum 1, then theta is equal to sin inverse x, theta value minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Thus from the given table for the values of x and theta, then cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x. Here x is the value of theta, value of real numbers, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 3, and theta 30 degree, 45 degree, 60, 120 in this way. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 is not equals to 2 pi by 3, because principal value of sin inverse x is not 2 pi by 3, only pi by 2 to minimum pi by 2 to maximum pi by 2. Then sin 2 pi by 3 represent in the sin pi minus pi by 3. Then pi minus pi by 3, sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta, because we know that A S T C 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, 360 degree. Agrawal Sandeep Transport Company. Agrawal Sandeep Transport Company. A means all positive between 0 to 90 degree. S means sin theta and cosec theta. S means sin theta and cosec theta will be positive between 90 degree to 180 degree. T means tan theta. Tan theta and cot theta positive between 182 to 270 degree. T means tan theta. Tan theta and cot theta, because cot theta represented in the tan theta, because we know that cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So tan theta will be positive 180 to 270 degree. Same means cos theta and sec theta. Then cos theta and sec theta will be positive between 270 to 360 degree, and otherwise trigonometry ratios are negative. For example, sin and cosec positive, then cos theta, tan theta, cot theta will be negative between 90 to 180 degree. Tan theta and cot theta will be positive, and other trigonometry ratios sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta and sec theta will be negative between 180 degree to 270 degree. Cos theta and sec theta will be positive between 270 degree and 360 degree. Otherwise sin theta, tan theta, cot theta and cosec theta will be negative. Then we solve the questions of exercise 2.1. You can say one example. First example, sin inverse minus 1 upon 2. Let sin inverse minus 1 upon 2 is equal to theta. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Since the principal value of sin inverse x lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, then theta will be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. But sin theta is negative, then theta minus pi by 2 to 0. Minus pi by 2 to 0. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2, then minus sin by pi by 6. Sin minus pi by 6, then theta is equal to minus pi by 6. So the principal value of sin inverse minus 1 upon 2 is minus pi by 6. Similarly, tan inverse minus root 3, sec inverse root 2. Then solve these questions of 2.1. Thank you. Today we study of a chapter 2, second exercise 2.1, inverse circular function. Solve these questions with the help of principal value. शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। SK क्लासेस शाहपुरा। मोबाइल नंबर 8696381114।